5 seconds. First Johnny. Second Nick Claver. Third Clyde. Fourth Oliver. Fifth Ricky Bobby. Sixth Jack Campbell. Seventh Bruce Hahn. Eighth George Leroy. Ninth Vincent Piazza. First Johnny. Second Nick Claver. Third Ricky Bobby. Fourth Oliver. Fifth Clive. Sixth Jack Campbell. Seventh Bruce Hahn. Eighth George Leroy. 2 minutes elapsed. Current top 6 are Johnny, followed by Nick Claver, followed by Ricky Bobby, followed by Oliver, followed by Clive, followed by Jack Campbell. First Johnny. Second Nick Claver. Third Ricky Bobby. Fourth Clive. Fifth Bruce Hahn. Sixth Oliver. Seventh George Leroy. First Nick Claver. Second Ricky Bobby. Third Johnny. Eighth Jack Campbell. Fourth Clive. Ninth Vincent Piazza. Fifth Bruce Hahn. Sixth Oliver. First Ricky Bobby. Second Nick Claver. Third Johnny. Fourth Clive. Seventh George Leroy. Eighth Jack Campbell. Four minutes remaining. Current top 6 are Ricky Bobby, followed by Nick Claver, followed by Johnny, followed by Clive, followed by Bruce Hahn, followed by Oliver. Fifth Oliver. First Ricky Bobby. Second Nick Claver. Third Johnny. Fourth Clive. Sixth Bruce Hahn. Seventh George Leroy. Fifth Oliver. First Ricky Bobby. 3 minutes remaining. Current top 3 are Ricky Bobby, followed by Nick Claver, followed by Johnny. Second, Clive. Third, Nick Claver. Sixth, Bruce Hahn. Fourth, Johnny. Seventh, George Leroy. Fifth, Oliver. First, Ricky Bobby. Second, Clive. Third, Nick Claver. Fourth, Johnny. Two minutes remaining. Current top 6 are Ricky Bobby, followed by Clive, followed by Nick Claver, followed by Johnny, followed by Oliver, followed by Bruce Hahn. Sixth, George Leroy. Seventh, Bruce Hahn. First, Ricky Bobby. Fifth, Oliver. Second, Clive. Third, Johnny. Fourth, Nick Claver. Sixth, George Leroy. One more minute remaining. First, Clive. Second, Nick Claver. Third, Johnny. Fifth, Oliver. Seventh, Bruce Hahn. Sixth, George Leroy. Fourth, Ricky Bobby. First, Clive. Second, Nick Claver. Third, Johnny. Drivers finish the lap here. Seventh, Bruce Hahn done. Fifth, George Leroy done. Sixth, Oliver done. First, Clive done. Second, Nick Claver done. Third, Johnny done. Race complete. Next race 4WD Outlaw Truck A Main 1. Bruce Hahn. Bruce Hahn.
Always fun.